know. Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
E ngā mana e ngā reo rauranga tira mā tēnā koutou katoa. Nau mai ki tēnei whakapāhotanga. With good possession, building phases, putting some pressure.
I think it was offside, he's taking a quick tap, and number 9.
He's over. Well done.
Well done.
Yeah, well done to Napier Boys High School. That was Harry Bain. Really playing down the right side of the field of the boys in blue. Kare no au kia kite I a Heretaunga e puta ana I tā rātou ake hawhe. Auwe, anei, ai. Southwick tērā te tuarima.
Go for a drive.
What can't Napier do, bro? They can't
They
collapse.
can't come around the sides and they can't collapse. Help and they've gone through.
JJ Lilo Iosefo te kai kapene o te kapa mana e whiu whakaroto I te pāro. Mana hoki pe te piro e whai ake nei. Ai koia.
There you go, whānau, there you go. Another one from our captain, Iosefa.
E uri no Fiji. Taha katou. Reef Robinson. Dynamic footwork and speed and just...
Oi, parahuti
Ana, parahuti te haere. Ka... Haere ngā tahi ko ngā paumua. Ka anga whakamua ngā paumua. Tirohia. Yes, class.
Play from the boys. Shifting the ball, trying to get bonus point out of us.
last try wins.
Last try winners.
Oh, jeez. It's a bit of frustration, I suppose. Tap taken and
Well
he's over.
deserved then, the man himself.
Boy,
Nehemiah.
been a very outstanding effort from the Hastings Boys High School. And
Everybody that I know. Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.